Hello, my name is Michael Norton. I bring you greetings from London, England, where I have my practice in the West End, very close to Oxford Street, famous Oxford Street. I'm going to be addressing the subject of primary stability, in particular as it relates to insertion torque and lateral stiffness. I hope that I will be able to dispel some myths around insertion torque and the relative importance of insertion torque as it relates to implant success. Primary stability and insertion torque are not necessarily the same thing, and I hope to demonstrate and explain to you why that is and why lateral stiffness, as measured by resonance frequency, is of greater interest to us as clinicians. I'm very much looking forward to meeting you all in Turkey and to spending a little time with you all. Greetings from London, many thanks, see you soon.
Dear colleagues, my name is Anton Skulian and I would like to welcome you to the Implant Master Symposium in 2019, October 10-12 in Belek, Antalya. In my presentation, I will provide you novel data on how to diagnose and treat peri-implant infections and also novel concepts on regenerative and plastic aesthetic periodontal surgery, addressing also the importance of soft tissue defects around dental implant. So see you all next year in Antalya.
Dear friends, hello from Vilnius, Lithuania. My name is Professor Tomas Linkevičius and I'm very excited to be speaking next year in 2019 in the Third Institute in Turkey. My topic will be Zero Bone Loss Concepts. I will talk about how to create and to maintain crestal bone stability around implants. From surgical part, we will talk about influence of vertical soft tissue thickness, implant design, implant placement deepness on these crestal bone stability factors. But from prosthetic part, we will also discuss influence of polished zirconia, influence of screw-retained or cement-retained restorations to achieve bone stability around implants as well. So I'm very excited again to be there and I all invite you to visit my lectures. Thank you.
Hello everyone. I'm Professor Nelson Pinto from the University of Los Andes in Santiago, Chile. I'm really honored to participate at the Implant Master Symposium in October 2019 in Turkey. My lecture will be focused on how LPRF is challenging the paradigm of tissue repair and osseointegration. I really look forward to share with all of you all the research that we have done in this topic in the last years.
Hello, good day. My name is Richard Myron and I'm here today from the Myron and Zhang Lab. I'm very happy to announce that in October of 2019 I will be presenting at the MEFRT Implant Symposium. This will be held as an annual event that's held in Turkey. The dates that's selected for 2019 are October 10th to 12th. And my topic will be on tissue engineering and regenerative strategies in implant dentistry. The title of my talk will be Next Generation Biomaterials for Bone and Periodontal Regeneration. And so I hope to see you guys all there. Again, the dates are October 10th to 12th, 2019 in Turkey. Thank you.
Hello, I'm Franck Renoir. I'm in Paris. I'm oral surgeon in Paris. And I share my time between my clinical practice and lecturing, mainly around human factors. What does that mean, human factors? That means that I have the experience from aviation. I was helicopter pilot and also some other risky industries, as the nuclear plants industry, for example. And I got a lot of examples in which we can say that the human attitude play a huge role in the result. And the difference between the great surgeons and let's say medium surgeons is not only their hands, but also their ability to manage the environment, the stressful environment, and to be able to manage all the people around dental chair. And I will talk about this topic, which is just amazing, just to give you an example from literature, because there are a lot of papers on the topic. In US, the people have analyzed the results in terms of mortality in veteran hospital in USA, and they have analyzed 180,000 medical procedures. One group was trained on human factors. The second group was a control group, no special training. After 1 year, the difference in the reducing of mortality was 50%, just 50% less patient died, just because the people trained were able to use a safer communication or to use other tools I will explain during the lecture. So I'm looking forward to meet you, and I am looking forward to share with you this amazing topic. See you. Bye.
Good day, everyone. My name is Dr. Honglei Wang. I'm currently a professor and director of graduate periodontics at the University of Michigan, one of the top universities in the world. Today, I'd like to welcome you to the Implant Master Symposium that will be held in Turkey on October 10 to 11 in 2019. In that symposium, we are going to invite many top speakers, and the topic of my lecture will be current advancement in bone augmentation. Basically, I'm going to cover what's new in the horizontal and vertical bone augmentation. I'm also going to discuss the decision tree that we develop in terms of how to select the right approach to treat the different reach deficiency in order to achieve the predictable outcome. So I would like to welcome you to join me in this unique opportunity in Turkey, October 10 to 11. Thank you, and look forward to seeing you there.
Hi, I'm Dr. Bakli, and I'm an oral maxillofacial surgeon practicing in Los Angeles, California. I will be speaking at the Meffert Implant Institute on October 10th to 12, 2019 in Turkey. And I would like to invite all of you to come join me, along with a number of colleagues who will be speaking at this wonderful meeting. The topic of my discussion is going to be on the retreatment of failed implant site, with a particular focus on the aesthetic zone. While the success rate of dental implants is very well documented in the literature, unfortunately complications and failures do occur. What are the implications of removing failed implants in the aesthetic zone? How do we reconstruct these sites? What treatment plan should we provide to the patient in terms of retreatment? And what type of realistic expectations can we promise or offer our patients? These are some of the discussions that we will have, and I would love to share with you my experience on the treatment of these very challenging cases. So I invite you to come join us in Turkey, where we will have a very nice time, and I look forward to seeing you there. Bye-bye.
Okay, hello everybody. My name is Joseph Kan from Los Angeles, California. And I basically is in private practice as well as doing some teaching in a university and some research too. So I want to thank you for inviting me to be a part of this program in October next year, 2019 in Turkey. I'm really looking forward to it. And the topic I'll be talking about is implant reconstruction in the aesthetic zone, and from an interdisciplinary point of view, looking from an orthodontics, periodontics, and prosthodontic point of view. And we'll be focusing a lot on tissue management, soft tissue management, from bone to soft tissue grafting, and how can we get the tissue to the optimal level. So again, I thank you for inviting me, and I really look forward to spend some time with you folks this coming year. Thank you.
Merhabalar. Meffert İmplant Enstitüsü'nün İmplant Master Sempozyum serileri başladı. Gelecek sene Antalya Belek Riksos'ta yapacağımız organizasyon için bütün hazırlıkları tamamladık. Dünyanın sayılı konuşmacıları bizlerle beraber olacak. Biz hazırız, siz hazır mısınız? Erken kayıtlarımız başladı. Hepinizi bu programa bekliyoruz.
Ladies and gentlemen, I'm very much honored and delighted to be the chairman of Master Implant Symposium. I would like to give my sincere appreciation to my good friends Ali and Dr. Aslan and their team for arranging this beautiful program. I'm sure all of you will enjoy the content of the seminar, and also you will enjoy the great hospitality of Turkish people.
Hello, my name is Professor Dr. Aslan Gökbuget. I am the honorary president of Meffert Implant Institute. Since it has been founded, Meffert Implant Institute organizing annual meeting every year. Now we have another meeting in 2019, Implant Master Symposium. It's again educational format symposium. So I would like to invite you all this wonderful meeting. You can find all the information about the meeting in our website www.meffertimplant.com. If you're interested, please go through our website and feel free to contact us. Another important thing is end of October in Antalya is still suitable for the spend some time in the sea coast, so you can also bring your families, children as well. Again, I would like to invite you all to our wonderful meeting. Bye.